luxurious 12-day adventure with our luxury Mekong River cruise tour from Saigon to Siem Reap, experiencing the best of Vietnam and Cambodia. Start your journey in the vibrant city of Saigon, where the bustling streets and lively markets blend modern energy with rich history. Delve deep into the Cu Chi tunnels, uncovering the ingenious wartime strategies of Vietnam. Next, set sail on the elegant Victoria Mekong cruise, gliding through the picturesque Mekong Delta. Witness the bustling activity at the Long Shuyan floating market, explore the cultural richness of Tiger Island, and experience the local crafts and traditions of Tan Chau village. On board, relax with luxurious amenities, enjoy gourmet dining, and take in the breathtaking river views. Arrive in Phnom Penh, the charming capital of Cambodia. Here, you'll explore the grandeur of the Royal Palace and Silver Pagoda and confront the poignant history of the killing fields and Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum. Your journey continues to Siem Reap, the gateway to the magnificent Angkor Wat. Spend your days marveling at the ancient temples of Angkor Thom, Bayon, and Ta Prohm, each steeped in history and architectural wonder. Book your luxury Mekong River cruise tour today and experience the magic of Southeast Asia in unparalleled style and comfort.